हेलो नमस्कार एवरीबॉडी। तो कोसम कश्मीरी क्लास सेकंड लेसन नंबर 2 में आप सबका वेलकम है, स्वागत है। सो विद दिस आई विल हैंड
नमस्कार मैम।
अजीत जी एंड मुरुकेश जी। आई होप मुरुकेश जी इज देयर। We will start in time so that we can take the questions. Homework से related question कहते question छूतो है आज करो इस कोशिश सुते Murukesh ji and Kor join. So any questions you have, we will take those questions or we will discuss those questions before we end the call. Homework se related specifically. Yeah, so over to you Ajit ji and Murukesh ji. Please एक बारी check कर लीजिए, आप share screen कर सकते हैं?
Ma'am, good morning. I am
Hello.
Ajit Agarwal.
Namaskar.
Namaskar, ma'am. Okay. So, ma'am, should I start off with my portion of the revision?
जी बिल्कुल
I
बिल्कुल।
think Mukesh ji is not well, so he requested me to continue on his behalf.
Okay, ठीक है।
So, first of all,
I'm traveling. I'll be listening and I can't talk or
It's
whatever.
okay, Arshia. No problem at all. So, yeah, so please mute yourselves.
so I will start off, ma'am, without wasting any much of more time. First of all, सबसे पहले हम करेंगे जो vowels हैं. So हमारा जो मतलब हमारा जो हिंदी या फिर कश्मीरी या देवनागरी स्क्रिप्ट में वॉवल्स एंड कॉन्सोनेंट्स या इंग्लिश में भी वॉवल्स या कॉन्सोनेंट से ही बनता है पूरा हमारा अल्फाबेटिकल साइकिल। तो सबसे पहले वॉवल्स जो है वो हमारा हो गया आ ई उ ऊ। फिर हम ऋषि वाला वो हम यूज नहीं करते, ए ओ आओ अन। कश्मीरी में हम अंग नहीं बोलते, अन बोलते हैं और अह नहीं होता। तो दो अल्फाबेट हमारे नहीं होते। फिर से मैं रिपीट करता हूं, आ ई उ ए ए ओ औ। एंड इसके अंदर जो हम रोमन में लिखते हैं, तो जब बड़ा अक्षर होता है आ या ऊ, तो हमारा जो ए के ऊपर जो एक छोटा सा वो लगता है, वो बाई की तरफ होता है, लेफ्ट साइडेड। अगर बड़ा है तो वो लेफ्ट साइड लगेगा, और अगर छोटा अक्षर है जैसे ई, तो राइट साइड की तरफ जाएगा वो। तो छोटा अक्षर ई राइट साइड, ई लेफ्ट साइड जाएगा ऊपर से। अब हम आते हैं कॉन्सोनेंट्स पर। तो कॉन्सोनेंट्स जो हमारे हैं, पहले मैं बताना चाहूंगा कि जो हम नहीं यूज करते हैं, जो नहीं यूज करते हैं वो है जहां भी ह की साउंड आती हो, घ, झ, ढ, ध, भ। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, भाई, जो हम भाई बोलते हैं हिंदी में, वो यहाँ कश्मीरी में बोलेंगे बाई। धनुष की जगह धनुष, ध नहीं आएगा, धनुष। सिमिलरली झगड़ा की जगह जगड़ा बोलेंगे, जगड़ा। तो झा यूज नहीं करेंगे, ध, ज, ड़, घ, भ, ये यूज नहीं करेंगे। जो हम यूज करेंगे वो है क, ख, ग, च, छ, ज, ट, थ, ड, त, थ, द, न, प, फ, ब, म, य, र, ल, व, श, स, ह, त्र। ये हम यूज करेंगे। अभी मैं आना
Very nice.
चाहूंगा, मैम, आई होप अब तक चीज जो मैं कर रहा हूँ वो ठीक है।
Yeah, very nice. Let's
अब हम कवर
continue.
करेंगे एडिशनल वॉवेल, जो कि सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट पोर्शन है, और जिससे हमारा वो रेन गेन माल्यून जो हमने पोएम बनाया है वो भी उसी से है। सो इसके अंदर 6 अल्फाबेट्स जो आते हैं एडिशनल वॉवेल्स में, वो आता है अ। ए के ऊपर छोटा सा राउंड मींस हाफ अ। ए के ऊपर 2 बिंदियां यानी अ, तो ह की एक साउंड आ जाएगी अ। फिर यू के ऊपर एक ट्रायंगुलर छोटा सा वो लगता है, इन्वर्टेड ट्रायंगुलर, तो हाफ ऊ, ऊ, दो बिंदियां ऊ। अगला है ई के ऊपर राइट साइड पोर्शन में झुका हुआ जो वो है, तो यानी इसका मतलब आप छोटा अक्षर हो गया तो ए। सिमिलरली ओ के ऊपर जब डंडा लगा हुआ है झुका हुआ लेफ्ट साइड में तो ओ। तो ये मैं फिर से बोलूंगा, अ, उ, ऊ, ए, ओ। फिर इसके बाद आता है एडिशनल कॉन्सोनेंट दैट इज कॉल्ड अफर्केटिव्स। इसके अंदर तीन है सिर्फ। पहला हो गया स, च के नीचे जब बिंदी आती है तो वो हो जाता है स, छ के नीचे बिंदी आती है तो हो जाता है छ, और ज के नीचे बिंदी आती है तो हो जाता है ज। तो ज बहुत ज्यादा यूज होता है कश्मीरी में जो मैंने देखा है, एंड उसी से हमारी साउंड भी बनती है। तो स, छ, ज। मैम कौन कंजंक्ट्स मुझे थोड़ा सा समझना है आपसे, तो ये मेरा रिक्वेस्ट रहेगा इस क्लास के अंदर। तो मैं वो कवर नहीं कर रहा जो चीज मुझे थोड़ा सा खुद भी प्रॉब्लम हुआ है। अभी
कोई
मैं
बात नहीं,
कवर करूंगा वो
हमारे
पोएम।
टीचर जी यहाँ पे हैं, सो
जी
वॉट एवर क्वेश्चंस, जो भी हमारे सवाल रहेंगे, जो भी क्वेश्चन रहेंगे, वो हम उनके साथ डिस्कस कर लेंगे।
जी।
बट वेरी नाइस, यू आर सेटिंग द बार वेरी हाई, आई मस्ट से दैट। सो वेरी
नाउ
नाइसली
कवर
डन।
द पोएम वंस। सो उसमें पहला वर्ड है र, ए के ऊपर राउंडल एंड एन के ऊपर एन के राइट साइड में एक खड़ा हुआ डंडा। तो वो जो ए के ऊपर राउंडल है वो तो हाफ हो गया अ, और एन के ऊपर राइट साइड में खड़ा हुआ डंडा जो है वो इन। तो रैन, गैन, माल्युन, पूरित, पूरित, शीरित। अगला हो गया मेनस, बथस, बेई, बेई, बेलज, हर, हर। ए के ऊपर दो डंडे हैं, दो बिंदियां हैं, तो वो आधा अक्षर हो गए, आधे, हर। कूतह, बरबर, को अख खारक, वल, बे पहनस, ख्यावत, वर। So this is how, ma'am, I finish here. I'm not very sure how much did I cover.
Oh, very nice, very nice.
Thank
Thank
you.
you, Ajit ji.
Thank you, ma'am.
Any questions from anybody? Very nicely covered. आपने सब कुछ रिवाइज किया, आपने पोएम भी रिवाइज की. So very nicely covered. Any questions from anyone?
Yeah, I have a question.
जी.
तो जो फ का प्रोनाउंसिएशन होता है, तो हम वो ह प्रोनाउंस करेंगे या फ करेंगे?
फ जो है फल जैसे हैं, हम यूजुअली वैसी वाली प्रोनाउंसिएशन लेते हैं. हम फ
ओके,
फ
ठीक है,
को
थैंक यू.
जो है फ को वी डोंट एम्फेसाइज इट अ लॉट, जैसे उर्दू में किया जाता है. वैसे हम एम्फेसाइज नहीं करते, बट कुछ कुछ जगह पे जो हमारे उर्दू से टेकन हुए पर्शियन वर्ड्स हैं, हाँ वहां पे भी लोग वी एम्फेसाइज, बट अदरवाइज इट वोंट बी फल, इट विल बी फल, ह. Okay, so there is a difference, but as you gain confidence in the vocabulary, जैसे जैसे आपका वो increase होता जाएगा, वैसे वैसे आप gain करते जाएंगे कि okay, how to speak and how to pronounce a word. Very good question. Thank you. Any other question? उमेश जी, आपने हाथ खड़ा किया.
नमस्कार मारा.
नमस्कार.
वन क्वेश्चन की जो च के नीचे नुक्ता है, डू यू प्रोनाउंस इट स और लाइक द क्लास मॉनिटर उनका वाज स और स, लाइक इज इट स और हाउ डू यू प्रोनाउंस इट?
सामन वाला च.
सामन.
सामन वाला च. तो जो गाइड वर्ड्स हैं आपको वो रिमेंबर करने हैं. इफ यू विल रिमेंबर द गाइड वर्ड्स, यू कैन इजीली प्रोनाउंस द वर्ड्स. तो च के लिए सामन वाला च, राइट? ओके, वेरी गुड क्वेश्चन. एनी अदर क्वेश्चंस बिफोर आई हैंड ओवर टू मास्टर जी? एनी अदर क्वेश्चंस? जी अजीत जी, आप म्यूट पे हैं.
अजीत
मैम ये कॉन्सोनेंट कंजंक्ट्स थोड़ा सा समझा दीजिए एक बार. कंजंक्ट्स
जी, वो मास्टर जी समझाएंगे. I'll give the mic to मास्टर जी in just one more minute. जी, पारुल जी, any question?
मैम थ के नीचे जो बिंदु है वो कब लगाते हैं?
th के नीचे बिंदु.
यस मैम.
We only have ch, ch and j.
We don't.
मैम जैसे व्यनत जब हम लिखते हैं कश्मीरी में तो थ के नीचे डॉट है तो वो कब लगाएंगे?
वो
नहीं है.
t के
नहीं,
नीचे
there is-
dot.
T के नीचे है. नहीं, T के
के
नीचे भी
नीचे.
नहीं है. T के नीचे नहीं है. For Venath there is no
No
TH is th.
dot.
TH is th. th के नीचे कभी डॉट कश्मीरी में नहीं लगाते.
नहीं लगाते हैं. जी.
मैम जो हमको लाइक वो लेसन 1 में व्हेन आई एम सीइंग दिस कश्मीरी में स्यक व्यनत तो थ के नीचे साइड में राइट हैंड साइड में डॉट दिख रहा है तो
I will
कुछ
check
गलत
that. Maybe
We'll
that
correct
will
that.
be a full stop. हाँ, maybe that's a full stop, not a dot.
ओके.
I will check it.
स्यथ में भी मैम आधा च के नीचे डॉट है और इट्स लाइक माय मिस्टेक.
हाँ,
नहीं नहीं नहीं. च के या गो
च के नीचे. जी, च के नीचे डॉट है because it's स्याथ, चामन वाला च. That's why. हाँ, च के नीचे we do, but th के नीचे there is no dot. क्योंकि डॉट वाले सिर्फ 3 कॉन्सोनेंट्स हैं. These are these. Okay.
ओके. एंड मैम
Good question. Yes.
लाइक
जी.
भान में एक एक्सेप्शनल जो आप बताए थे कि भान जो सरनेम होता है दैट वी विल प्रोनाउंस एज बान, राइट?
जी.
तो जो भट्ट होता है
वो जब
भी
हम बात करते हैं तो yes. नहीं, it depends how you talk, how your accent is. Bhat can be bhat. Bhan, we pronounce as bhan also, we pronounce as ban also. Banan and school. Most of the time they say like that. So it depends. Surname is a proper noun, जैसा कि मास्टर जी ने भी बोला, surname is a proper noun. So proper noun mostly remains the same. The pronunciations are same.
मैम वन मोर क्वेश्चन. ये पॉइंट मैं सही प्रोनाउंस कर रही हूँ कि नहीं मुझे थोड़ा क्लियर नहीं हो.
हाँ, वो होमवर्क वाला क्वेश्चन होमवर्क पे. When we discuss homework, okay?
Okay. Thank you so much.
Okay, great. Any other question related to revision before I hand over to Masterji for conjuncts and today's lesson? Okay, chaliye. I think silence means no questions, so we will start with Masterji. Masterji, over to you, Kuldip ji. Over to you.
Thank you. Please change the lesson. This is lesson 2.
Sorry. So revision हमने कर लिया. I will not be going through that. आपके सबके पास PDFs है, तो आप वो पढ़ लीजिए. हाँ, illustrations के लिए हाँ, ये वाला पेज करेंगे या डायरेक्टली लेसन पे आ जाए?
Are these words there in the lesson 2 at the back? At the back, I have not looked. Okay, then there is no need. We can close this and we'll see from there itself if it is there already. If it is not there, then keep it there.
This is for the lesson 2 before we start doing the lesson 2. Just for the pronunciation.
Just start from the beginning. Start from the beginning.
Okay, start from the beginning. So this is where we are.
Start from beginning.
Beginning is
Start.
Beginning is revision.
Top. Go
Okay.
top. I want to see first page.
This is the first page.
This is the first page. This is not
Yes.
the first page. Go top. Go top.
Go
further
top.
up.
Okay, this one.
Yeah. Total up. Further up.
Further up.
Yeah, here.
Okay.
Actually, Shivani ji, from last time we actually skipped this, which we don't generally.
Yes.
Ashyasan, हम अपने ना कक्षा प्रार्थना से शुरू करते हैं, and I would suggest Shivani, let's do it alphabetically. Take it one every day from A to whichever way you want to do it.
I think जो monitors हैं, they can start because they are already taking the lead. जी, ठीक है.
Okay. Ajit ji, can you read this? This प्रार्थना.
Yes, I will. Om Namami Tatva Sharda Devi Mahabhagi Bhagwati Kashmir Purvasini Vidya Daini Rakshmam Namami Tuam.
Ajay ji, this is simple. Basically, this is Sanskrit, but just a little slow you have to go. Om Namami Tuam Sharda Devim Mahabhagim Bhagavatim काश्मीर पुरवासिनी विद्यादायिनी रक्षमाम रक्षमाम नमामि त्वाम. ठीक है, just I'm repeat. And I would request you to read this also, since you are the monitor. You have done a good job with Ren Guide Marlon. I want you to read. आप ये ललवाक भी पढ़ लीजिए. Doesn't matter whatever way you want to read it. Go ahead. अजीत जी.
आमी आमी पन. Let me just zoom it a little.
Yeah, sure,
आमी
sure.
पन सोदरस नावी छस लमान कति बोझी दे मेयोन म ति दी तार आम्यन ताक्यन पुण्य जन समान शमान चुव धुम ब्रह्मान गुर कुछ हा.
Okay, very good try. I will read it once for you, everybody. So this is a very popular lalwak. I hope all of you know कि जो माता ललेश्वरी थी कश्मीर की एक बहुत बड़ी सेंट रही है, who was a devotee of Lord Shiva, and जिसने बहुत कुछ लिखा है. She has not written anything, she has spoken everything, all these works which were later on written by other people. So it reads like this. Aami pan. You see the Ardhachandra at the bottom. I'm just giving you strengthening your that learning. Aami pan sadras. Sadras. Navichas laman. Katiboz daimyon. Mitidiyatar. Amin takin. Oinzan shaman. Zuchum brahman. Garagatsa. Just for reading. Go ahead, Shivani ji. Now let's go to the lesson proper.
So lesson.
Skip the. No, you go ahead. Skip that. This anyway.
Skip the revision also, right? Because
This revision.
we
Yeah,
have.
we have already done that. Yeah, go
Yeah.
ahead now.
So we'll start with the vocabulary.
Yeah,
right?
yeah, that's right. That's right.
Okay. Because this is, and just sorry, before we start, just to make clear, these words are for understanding the sounds. तो अभी क्योंकि हम लेसन नंबर 2 में ही हैं, you don't have to think about okay what is the meaning of each word. Meaning आपको throughout the lesson सब words के बता दिए जाएंगे. But for now you just have to understand the sounds. That's why हमने यहाँ पे specifically लिखा है कि ये किस चीज की sound है. अ पे अगर जोर देना है तो कैसे देना है, आ पे अगर जोर देना है तो कैसे देना है. So try and understand the sounds. For now, don't go into the meanings. Okay? Okay. Good. Over to you, Kuldip ji. Thank you.
I will read once and I would मैं बाद में सभी को बोलूँगा कि एक एक करके एक लाइन, एक जैसे 5 शब्दों का पहले अ पर है, दूसरा आ पर है. We'll ask each one of you to repeat that in your own words. अलम, वनस, सड़क, हरतल, जमजम. यामत, कारण, दामन, बकवास, पाताल. दिख, चिरन, बिसियार, गरिच, बाये. ईश्वर, शीशम, पीरिल, गिरिस, जरीब, कानुल, मुशीर, आमुन, वातुल, वानुस. मूरन, तूफान, फूर, वफूर. प्योर. Then ऋषि. ये आई थिंक ये इसका आपको ध्यान रखना पड़ेगा शिवानी जी.
जी
अशी लेखा र ए अशी ने रे लेखा
हाँ
ये
रही
गलती है हाँ
ठीक
ये करेक्ट कर लीजिए
जी ठीक है
ऋषि प्रच छ प्रच क्रच और ये क्रूर है ना क्रो इसमें भी ये रू वाला it should be r not we don't use this ru so you have to correct this okay
okay
yeah please
ठीक
sorry I didn't look at this lesson before and okay शमशेर मेनुन रेशल मेठुन ब्रेठुन ये र वाला ना सेम र हाँ ये वाला र ऊपर भी
प्रच के लिए भी और प्रच के लिए
हाँ और ऋषि के लिए तो
इसी के
नॉर्मल
लिए
रहेगा
र ई
हाँ बस नेक्स्ट शमशेर मेनुन रेशल मेठुन ब्रेठुन डैडी गैर वैकुंठ कलई पलई पलई तोल वोतुस ब्रोर पुलहोर तुलोन गाव ये ऊपर में और नीचे में it does not make sense the English and the top
okay
tawkal I think t is missing there
टी
t
उस
is
साइड हो गया था जी जी जी
हाँ tawkal तौलिया जौहर दौलत नेक्स्ट मंगस कांज प्यूंत पूंज गंदुक सेख देख चैथ कैथ बेल this is again I think you need to correct this. These are all superscripts I जितने भी है ना this you have to be all superscript ये सारा इंग्लिश में थोड़ा ठीक नहीं हुआ लाइन सारी लाइन में all I's have to be superscript
because it's here okay yes.
हीर गीर तूर जूर पूर okay go on for joy lokut pokur mokul okay let's go up again let's go up apne not go up start from we can give this job to Ajit today you can start
Yeah.
calling one by one name alphabetically and let us go at you have all the names of the students Ajit ji
Yes, I have, please.
okay then you start alphabetically that will be better so you can give two you know how many are there so you can give them couple of two three words everybody okay
Okay.
go ahead
So, as I see on the screen, I'll just randomly keep giving because I think alphabetically
Yes,
it is
yes.
not coming on my screen.
No,
So,
that's
Parul,
okay.
Parul, you can connect with us for the first three words. Alam, Vanas, and Sadak.
Alam, Vanas, Sadak, Artal, Jam Jam.
Okay. Ishani, for next 5 words, please.
एक मिनट just 1 minute Parul ji you are studying you are reading it in Devanagari or you are reading it in English
Sir Devanagari.
okay anybody who is in use reading in Roman or English whatever you say please raise your hand you tell me before you read it okay no issue go ahead Ajit ji
Ishani, please, next 5 words.
Yes. Yamat, Karan, Daman, Bakwas, Patal.
Seema, ma'am, next 5 words, please. Ma'am, you have to unmute yourself.
Deek, Chiran, बिसियार, गरिच, बई,
भाई, भाई,
बारी,
भाई.
बारी,
Yes. Okay. No.
बाय,
Bye. Okay. Thank you.
Priya, next 5 words, please.
ईश्वर, शीशम, पिरिल, गीरस, जरीब.
Vani, next 5 words, please.
Sorry.
You have to mute. Yes. You're not audible, Vani.
I have not spoken yet. Kanul, Mushir, Amun, Vatul, Panus.
Okay. Good.
And I am in Devanagari.
Next.
Apurva, next 5 words, please.
Muran, Tufan, Khur, Wafur, Fur. Fur.
Thank you. Very good.
Kunjan, next 3 words, please.
You have to go up. शिवानी जी इसको ऊपर कर दीजिए.
हाँ जी, एक मिनट. जी. Actually, I was correcting these ones. Okay. जी. Kunjan ji.
Am I
You're not
audible?
audible.
I'm not audible.
Now you are audible.
You are.
Okay. Rishi, Prish, Krish.
Prats.
Prats.
It is Prats
Okay.
and Krats.
Okay.
Prats
Rishi,
and Krats.
Prat, and Krat.
छ के नीचे में जो डॉट है, pronounce it as th. Prats.
Ch.
छ के नीचे जो डॉट है, th. Put your tongue to the top of your mouth, you know. ताल
Okay.
पर लगा दीजिए. Prats. Prats. Okay, no problem.
Okay.
You'll do it. Next.
Next word, please. Kunjan, next to Prat.
Okay. You asked me to read the first 3, right? Krat, Prat,
After
Rishi. After that, Shamsher, Menun, Reshal, Methun, Brethun.
Very good. Very good.
Very good.
that, Devyani ma'am, next 4 words, please. Okay. Devyani ma'am, next 4 words, please. Okay, ma'am is not audible. Ishani Lahiri.
I just spoke.
Okay. I think फिर से change हो गया. Anil Kaul, Mr. Anil Kaul.
Please respond quickly, otherwise we'll
Okay.
waste a lot of
Okay.
time. Yeah, go on.
Vanshika Bhagi.
Yes, am I audible?
Yes, you are, please.
Okay. Deidi, Ger, Vekunt, Kole,
Qualai.
Qualai. Okay. Qualai. Thank you.
Good.
Next is Vinay Raina ji.
Vinaya Raina.
Yes. Sorry, which, yeah. Tol, Votus, Bror, Pulhor, Tulon.
Tulon. Very good. Perfect.
Plaksh. Next is Plaksh Kaul.
I have to start from the second line visible, right?
Yes.
Gau.
Yes.
Gau,
Ow. Ow.
Gau, Taulak, 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 Tauliya, Jauhar, Daulat.
Taukal, Jauhar, Z nahi J.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank
Okay,
you.
Chetan Jain ji, next 5 words.
हाँ जी, मंगस, कांजी, पयुंत, कुंज, गंदुक. Thank you.
Then we come on to Arshia call. Arshia call, please. Next 5 words. If Arshia is not listening, then Ananya Raina.
Yes, can you hear me?
Yes, we can.
Okay. This is I have to do it from from that, right?
No, next one.
Okay,
Next line.
Okay. Mangas, Kanji, Pyunt,
Open. Okay.
Unj, Ganduk.
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 Unj, Pyunt, Kanji, Mangas. Baki everything was okay. Ganduk. That's correct.
Ganduk.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Next.
Next is Ishan, please. Ishan, next 5 words.
Sek, Dek, Chet, Hek, Bell.
We come back to Shruti Raina for next 5 words,
Was
please.
I audible?
Yeah. Perfect.
Okay, thank you.
Ishan, perfect.
Shruti, if in case you can hear us, next 5 words, please. If in
Yes.
case you are not hearing. Okay.
Yes. Am I audible?
Yes, you are, please.
Okay. Heer, Geer, Toor, Joor, Poor.
Okay, just listen to me again. This is feed,
Ear,
gear,
Geer,
बड़ी की मात्रा.
toor,
Toor,
jur,
Joor,
jur. It is
Joor.
very faint year. Basically, focus on r and very little focus on year. Jur
Joor,
and poor,
Poor. Okay.
not poor. Poor.
Poor.
Poor is if it was only k, u and r, or k with u with the left to right and only r. If there is a year at the top and also I suffix on the in the Roman, means cool, not cool. Cool.
Poor.
Okay, no problem. Just go ahead. Next, please.
We have one more line remaining. I think Mr. Anil Kaulji आपका रह गया है. You're not audible, please. No, still not.
Am I audible now?
Yes, please.
Okay. Khor. This is Joy. Lokut. Joy. Khor, Joy, Lokut, Kokor, Mokul. Kuldip ji, I had sorry, Mokul.
Yeah, Mokul.
I had one doubt in the earlier lines. If you go to that Kole wali line.
Yeah.
Just go up Kole. इसमें when we speak daddy, it is daddy or daddy because it is written upstairs. How do you read it? Kole to मुझे समझ आ गया.
Actually, tell you frankly, daddy is more of a English word, so it's not really inherent Kashmiri word. It is sometimes it's just to show you how I or that I will be used. It has nothing to do with how we pronounce it.
So this is daddy basically.
Ashin banani we don't use Shivana Papa Bobji.
Bobuji,
Ashin Mol is now banana daddy.
Tata
Askal
ji,
bana sir
correct.
Ashin Tata ji bana Papa ji
Correct,
bana
हाँ,
है ना तो इस पैटर्न शुड बना तो नहीं तो मगर anyway this was just to explain what I is there. I think we can use a better word. Thank you Anil ji.
Sir, if in case we speak it otherwise, it should be daddy.
Actually, tell you frankly, I personally do not like this particular word for explaining I. Kolai is the right word, bilkul Kashmiri hai, and why couldn't, because why it is I. It is normal जो हिंदी में देवनागरी में A और I है ये वही है I. It is not typical for Kashmiri. It is general Devanagari vowel which is used here. तो वही हमने यूज किया है इसमें कोई स्पेशल वॉवल नहीं है तो इसलिए you have to just write only it is more for representation in this. Now can we go further? I think we are short of time. We can go further clarification.
Yes.
Yeah, please.
जी तो
So any
आज का
questions
लेसन
so let us go to today's lesson. Otherwise we will be short of time today. Okay, so now we have already done some of it. Let us go ahead with the next vowel. This is typical vowel. ये बिल्कुल हिंदी मतलब देवनागरी के लिए ही लिखे गए तो वही उसी में से हम आज यूज करेंगे नाउ हियर वी राइट एवरीवेयर जैसे पहला वर्ड हमने रेड में लिखा है तो वी हैव टू ऑल रिमेंबर आई शुड शायद नहीं याद था रीजन ये वॉजलेस में लिखी जो ये रेड में लिखा है लाल में लिखा है ये गाइड वर्ड है तो व्हेनेवर यू सी अ विद अर्धचंद्र और a sound similar to that, this is how it is to be used. Ach. It's a guide word. So anywhere we have something similar word pronunciation in Hindi, in Kashmiri, we use ach, a with ardhachandra on top or a with a circle on top. Okay, ach. So remember this guide word ach. Never forget this guide word. Gar. Now similar sounding words. Gar, vari, nar, var, dar, अंश आगे चले शिवानी कर्स and sir. So these are different ways of using the vowel with the ardhachandra on top. We actually we will do one thing. We will remember this for ever that we will not be. Just give me 1 minute. We will remember this that these guide words are very, very important for all of us. Okay. Now I want let Anil ji start today. I want you to repeat all these words again. Can you just rehearse so that we have a practice also and we can go ahead.
Can I ask one small doubt, Ishani?
Yeah,
here?
sure. Yeah, sure.
So unfortunately, I missed the last class. I just want to ask one doubt. This letter, with the circle on the top, how is it different from without any sign?
It is akh. Is different from it is a normal is normal जो देवनागरी में हम normally use करते हैं, but here we don't use normal. It is that's why this is different than this. Okay, Anil ji, can you I would request that all these questions you can park so that we can finish the lesson, then we can do everything. Otherwise, we'll not be able to complete the lesson. Thank you so much, Ishan. Anil ji, can you read this?
Ach, gar, vari, nar. No, nar is not right. Nar. So nar, var, dar, uns, kats. No, kats is not right. Then it's sir.
Okay, now there are only two words which I don't. Dhar, it is not dhar, it is dhar. Dhar would be dhar directly or D-A-R, not with the circle on top or the without ardhachandra. Okay, it's just for differentiation. So dhar. Same way, it is kuts. Kuts. Sir is always written by ch with a dot or T and S. So you have to pronounce it like that. So similarly, sir is ch with a dot at the bottom.
Sir.
And ts again as sir. So sir again with
Sir.
Ardhachandra, it is
Sir.
sir. It is not sar. If it would
Sir.
not be on the top, there will not be Ardhachandra, then it would be sar. It will not be sir. Okay, so just for differentiation. Let's go to the next vowel.
The third last word is uns.
Uns, uns, uns.
And second last word, sir?
Second last word is kuts, kuts. Okay,
Kus.
next.
Kus.
Kuts, not sir. You, Ajit, you have to pronounce this properly. Kuts,
Sir,
sir.
TS is sir.
No, sir, not sir. Sir is S. Sir, sir. Ch, you have to, sort of distort ch into sir.
Sir.
We'll get into later. Let us have clarification a little later. Go ahead next. Shivani. Now we go to the next one, which is again a special vowel. It is not a, it is not a, it is a. Okay. So there is a difference between a and this particular word. This is a. The guide word here is merge. Now this is slightly different. This is merge. Dhar, kar, var, dan, ash. Can you go up a little bit? Bus, just a little, so that all letters are bus. That's all. Thank you.
Yeah, that's what I was trying to fit in.
Dan, ash, us, her, lar, varis. Okay. Let us have Ishani. Can you read this particular? Let's see.
Merge, the.
Hold on. Merge, margin, merge.
Merge.
Okay.
Kar, var, dan, ash, us, her, lar, varis.
You have to remember, all of you, जो भी कश्मीरी basically सुनते हैं, जानते हैं, they may be able to pronounce these words anyway. I want you to read what is written in Devanagari so that you can relate how it is written. Always very important. Otherwise, what will happen when you read, you may not be able to pronounce it properly. I want you to not do it from memory. जो भी कश्मीरी हैं, जो कश्मीरी नहीं है, उसके लिए तो doesn't apply. But तोहिमा asno word buzmit garasmi. So it is very easy for you to pronounce. So you have to look at the presentation and read from there. Okay. Let's go to the next vowel, please. Now
make it here and one page. Yeah. Okay.
Now next is it is not u, it is not u, it is it is u with a cap on the top, or with the ardhachandra at the bottom, not on the top. It is and the guide word is b, me, b, s, charab, patij, khur, gur, kal, musl, var, naram. I will again, I think I've gone a little fast. I will go slow again. B, s, charab, patij, khur, gur, kal, musl, var, naram. Okay. Ananya ji, can you please read this word letter? Ananya.
Yes.
Yes.
B, sir, charab, patij, ghar, gar, kal, musl, var, naram.
Akoi word. Khur. There is khar tishu. There is a word like khar. which is basically donkey. Khur, slip. Khur, to slip. Khur.
Third.
Thank you. Let's
Okay.
go to the next, Shivani ji. Thank you. Very good. Then next vowel, special vowel is It is not it is which is denoted by with the ardhachandra at the double ardhachandra at the bottom, or U with a double dot at the top. Okay. Now we have the guide word is tur. Again, guide word is tur. It's a longish sound. Tur. Not, it is not tur. It is not tur. It is not tar. It is tur. Duf. Purit. Utim. Punchim. Gungat. Kunk. Kum. Sud. Tunk. Okay. Parulji, can you read for me?
Yes, sir. Tar, Tav, Parit, Artim, Panchim, Gangat, Khank, Kham, Sat, Tank.
Again, very good try, because you are not basically Kashmiri. So remember one thing. I'll repeat for you. It is Purit. Purit. It is not Purit. Purit. You have more emphasis on the longest sound. Purit. Punchim.
Parit,
Punchim. Repeat.
Panchim,
Punchim. Sud. Sud. And Tunk. Tunk.
Can you repeat that? Sat
Tunk.
and
Sud. Sud. Sa. Sud. The year is the year. The emphasis more on the ज़्यादा, और ये बिल्कुल हल्का सा बोलना है. Sud. Tunk. Tunk. This is very important for you to understand this, क्योंकि ये काफी कश्मीरी में यूज होता है. तो how to write, how to मतलब pronounce the and year. Normally देवनागरी हम त्या करके पढ़ते हैं. क्या? No. Here we use it as su, tu, sud, sud. त ज्यादा प्रोनाउंस एंड य. जबकि हम जब देवनागरी में पढ़ते हैं तो हम य पर ज्यादा फोकस करते हैं, त पर कम करते हैं. हियर व्हाइल राइटिंग देवनागरी.
कुलदीप जी इसमें ख भी बीच में आ रहा है. सूत. When you say that,
नहीं, that's not right. That's not right. So it is like this only. There is no h in between.
No, th. Why do I heard the here sound suit?
No. It is suit only. Actually, sometimes you pronounce in a faster way and
different dialect. Yeah.
It's a slightly dialect change, but otherwise it is suit only. Actual word is suit only. Let's go further. Next one.
Sir, just a second. So the last word T with a dot is to we spell it as
to. Again, to and n is there is an n. N is the same thing as no. Just a nasal sound.
The last two letters should be tunkin. Tunkin.
No, that's the same. K with the suffix is always tunk. K you have to give emphasis on K and very less on year. Tunk. Okay. Tunk. As I again said, just Devanagari aati hai. Normally, whenever we have a conjunct with the half first letter and the second one is the full, we have full emphasis. We have less emphasis on the first letter and the more emphasis on the second letter, which is the last one. The first is half letter. बट यहाँ पर उल्टा है हमारे. जब हम प्रोनाउंसिएशन कश्मीरी में करते हैं हम पहले पर ज्यादा फोकस करते हैं. टंक. य इज वेरी मिनिमल साउंड एंड क इज मोर साउंड. गो अहेड नेक्स्ट शिवानी.
Sir, one query. Sir, sure. In the poem Rain, so after N that danda is there. So N is spelled N.
And rain. If you would have written it is in Devanagari, it is no or year. Rain.
Yes, rain. In.
And
Rain.
on top is the Ardha Chandra. It is again rain gay. Actually, it's not rain. It is rain gay malun.
Rain.
Rain gay malun. It is not rain gay malun. It is rain gay malun.
Rain.
Rain gay malun. Okay, that's the correct pronunciation.
तो सर इसमें जो लास्ट वर्ड यूज हुआ उसमें क्यों ऑइन क्यों नहीं यूज हुआ फिर? तो
कौन सा वाला?
के ऊपर जो आई है उसमें के का जो सफिक्स है वो कॉइन क्यों नहीं हुआ?
नहीं है ना, के एंड आई है ना.
वी स्पेल तो आखिरी में हम स्पेलिंग में कॉइन क्यों नहीं कर रहे? कॉइन
नहीं, वो नहीं होगा. मैं बताती हूँ. जैसे रिन्य है, रिन्य जब हम बोलते हैं तो इट्स जस्ट अ स्लाइट य that comes in the end. Rinya gai malun. You see, rinya. Its year is very slight ka pronunciation. That is why we have kept superscript I. मान लीजिए आप, it's half year का pronunciation. Similarly, it is tink. Again, tink.
I got it, ma'am. I got it.
छोटा सा pronunciation है, so it is I. So it has nothing to do with की जो हम sound ले रहे हैं. It has nothing to do with that because उसमें रिन में R A और ऊपर 2 डॉट्स है और ये U और ऊपर 2 डॉट्स है. दोनों का प्रोनाउंसिएशन डिफरेंट है. There is a difference. ठीक? Okay. Good question. Please questions पूछते रहिए.
एक मिनट शिवानी जी, let us do one thing. Let us not get in between the lesson, then it gets little difficult to continue. So as I said, everybody, please keep your questions on your mind. Once we finish the lesson, I'll give you sufficient time to answer. Otherwise, what will have the rhythm of the lesson and for others to understand will become difficult. Okay, so no problem. Questions are always welcome. And when I'm doing the lesson, please do not interfere. And if you have a question, raise a hand. We'll talk in the evening, in the last. Okay, go ahead.
चलिए ठीक है. तो इसके साथ I hope we all remember the 3 affricative consonants. ये अजीत जी ने already revision में करवा दिया, so I will not go ahead with that. Then you must also remember English alphabets या Roman Kashmiri के जो part नहीं है, because अभी आप बोलने के साथ साथ लिखना भी सीख रहे हैं. So you have to make sure whatever you pronounce, you write it that way. You pronounce correctly, you will write correctly. Okay? तो इसमें हम लोग नहीं अभी डिटेल में जाएंगे because this is already taken by Ajit ji. So thank you. Next in today's lesson, we will start basic sentences. Over to you, Kuldip ji.
लास्ट लेसन में हमने सभी को पूछा था कि ने क्या चुनाव. We said मैं चुनाव विशाल, मैं चुनाव अजीत, मैं चुनाव पारुल. So my name is Vishal is the first sentence here. मैं चुनाव विशाल, मैं चुनाव विशाल. So it is a. It is that special. It is that special vowel. Me. Rest is normal Devanagari. Chunav Vishal. Same way for those who are learning in Roman or studying in Roman. E with a right to left slash on top, and CHH is ch, and U with a smaller sound is again right to left. Now, so left to right. And Vishal, I think Vishal, we have not used any other affricators here because it's a common noun. We write in English exactly as it is written in English. We do not make any changes in this as per Kashmiri. Okay, if you can, but we don't generally. What is your name? Twahi kya chunav? Twahi kya chunav? Twahi kya chunav? Kya chunav? I think this is something we can do with. There is a way also of saying chuv, or we can also say twahi kya chunav. That is also okay. Next is my name is Sangeeta. मैं चुनाव Sangeeta. Here, male or female, it does not make any distinction while you say my name is Sangeeta, like we say in English, same way. Same way, we don't make any gender difference here. मैं चुनाव Sangeeta. What is your name? Say. Kya chui na? Here, say is a conjunct, is a special consonant. Sir with a dot, and a is a special vowel at the top. The rest are same. Are Devanagari are normal degraded words. Say kya chui na? So no difference there at all. Similarly, when you read it in Roman, ts is sir, chh is ch. So that is the difference. The rest is remains the same. Say kya chui na? We generally use say, it is like saying tum or aap. ऊपर में जो हमने लिखा ताही क्या चुनाव, that is aap, and if it is say, it is like tum or aap, tum or tum. So generally we don't use to like that, but anyway, like say क्या चुनाव means of the same age or little below you. Next. मैं चुनाव चेष्टा. मैं चुनाव चेष्टा. तो ही क्या चुनाव? मैं चुनाव चेष्टा. तो ही क्या चुनाव? मैं चुनाव सुकन्या संयुक्ता. से क्या चुनाव? Again, इसमें English में H is missing, so I have to write H there on the left hand side. क्या? क्या चुनाव? से क्या चुनाव? से क्या चुनाव? Okay. Next. मैं चुनाव विष्णु. मैं चुनाव महवीश. मैं चुनाव निकिता. मैं चुनाव मालिनी. So these are various ways of responding to ताही क्या चुनाव or से क्या चुनाव. I would request Ajit again to take stage and ask others to say these things for their names. मैं चुनाव.
Okay. We start off with Apurva, please.
You have to every time say ताही क्या चुनाव. What will you say? ताही क्या चुनाव. ताही क्या चुनाव, and then you announce the name where it is. Okay.
ताही क्या चुनाव Apurva.
मैं चुनाव अपूर्वा.
Very good.
ताही क्या चुनाव Parul.
Unmute please. Parul ji, please unmute.
ताही क्या चुनाव Parul.
You have to respond. We are not able to hear you.
ताही क्या चुनाव Ishani.
मैं चुनाव ईशानी.
Very good.
ताही क्या चुनाव Vani.
वानी.
Again, come again. We could not hear you.
मैं चुनाव वानी.
वानी जी, don't take it to heart. आप सवेरे नाश्ता करके नहीं आती हैं? आपकी आवाज इतनी मध्यम क्यों है? Raise a little voice. Raise a little voice. Okay, all of us. You don't have to be so shy. Go ahead. Little louder.
No, I'm saying I think it's my phone that's not.
Okay, no problem. Go ahead. So you have to raise your voice further. Again.
मैं चुनाव वानी.
Great. Thank you.
ताही क्या चुनाव सीमा.
मैं चुनाव सीमा.
ताही क्या चुनाव प्रिया.
मैं चुनाव प्रिया.
ताही क्या चुनाव अनिल.
मैं चुनाव अनिल.
ताही क्या चुनाव कुंजन.
मैं चुनाव कुंजन.
ताही क्या चुनाव प्रिया.
Already done, sir. मैं चुनाव प्रिया.
ताही क्या चुनाव दिव्यानी.
Okay, let's take last one and then we go to questions.
ताही क्या चुनाव मधु.
मैं चुनाव मधु.
Very good.
Yeah, thank you. Hello, let's go. I
Thank
think we are
you.
finished.
Let's go questions. Hanji, we are finished with the lesson.
And you can, you know that the classroom code is different this time. So look at that. And by now, if you have any difficulty on posting or writing or viewing this, Shivani is here. She will guide you here exactly what you have to do and what you don't have to do. Shivani, please take care.
Yes. So before this, we go to the assignment. Any question from anyone? Umesh ji, you have raised your hand. जी बोलिए.
મારા બચ્ચા consonant के सारे नीचे ना equal opportunity मिलान बोलना selected few people are being asked to repeat again and again.
ठीक है. Point taken. We will take care of it in the next class.
ऐसे चाहिए थी.
बिल्कुल मारा बिल्कुल.
लिखना था.
बिल्कुल मारा. Point taken. Point taken.
We
actually
can also like
everybody is in class, तो इसके लिए वो थोड़ा difficult हो जाता है. But point taken. No problem.
नहीं शिवानी जी
नफर से घसान repeat.
एक मिनट point you are taken. Shivani ji, next time please post the complete list of names on the group so that जो भी monitor रहेगा he will read from the list. What he is doing, he is taking from the pictures.
Dispense, yeah.
It's very difficult for him. So put it alphabetically. Put it alphabetically. What we'll do? Listen to me. Put it alphabetically. If we are from A to say Z, if A to K we have finished on lesson 3, then from L onwards we'll start next time so that we continue with that everybody gets opportunity. Okay, equal opportunity. Let's do that. Okay.
We'll do it that way. Okay. Thank you, Mr. Point taken. Any other question before we go to the class work?
Thank you.
Okay, तो चलिए आज के questions discuss करते हैं. वैसे तो सारे questions are self-explanatory, but फिर भी पहला will be the same. Recite and upload the poem. Okay. तो आज आप वापस से रिसाइट कीजिए बिकॉज अब आपका जो वॉवल्स का वोकैबुलरी है वो थोड़ा और बढ़ गया है. सो रिसाइट द पोएम एंड सी द डिफरेंस एंड अपलोड इट टुडे. सेकंड, जो भी वर्ड्स आपने लर्न किए हैं वो आप लिखिए और उसका फोटो अपलोड करके भेजिए. अच्छा यही होगा कि अगर डिक्टेशन वाइज होगा, तभी हमने आप लोगों के पेयर ग्रुप्स बनाए हैं. इफ यू आर एबल टू कनेक्ट विद ईच अदर, तो कोई एक बंदा डिक्टेट करे और बाकी के लोग लिखें, या घर पे अगर कोई डिक्टेट करवा सकता है तो आप लिखें. उससे आपको प्रैक्टिस हो जाएगी लिखने की भी. एंड थर्ड क्वेश्चन इज अबाउट स्पीकिंग दोज वर्ड्स और रिसाइटिंग दोज वर्ड्स. लेकिन आप उनको रिसाइट कीजिए विद देयर इंग्लिश मीनिंग्स या हिंदी मीनिंग, कोई भी मीनिंग, सो दैट आपके जहन में वो वोकैबुलरी आ जाए, आपको समझ में आए. अगर मैं इंग्लिश में ये वर्ड यूज कर रहा हूँ या हिंदी में ये वर्ड यूज कर रहा हूँ, इसका ये कश्मीरी वर्ड है. तो कल को जब आप सेंटेंस फॉर्मेशन करेंगे तो यू विल बी इजीली एबल टू डू. वर्ड्स एंड मीनिंग पहले से पता होंगे. राइट. Any other question related to homework before I talk about the general questions that I have received?
Ma'am, you haven't shared the class code for the lesson 2 in the group.
Lesson 2 का जो class code है वो आपके PDF में है already. If you want, I can share it in the group as well. हर चीज आपको PDF से मिल जाएगी, so there should not be any issue. Okay, and updated PDF because we discussed today some corrections. Updated PDF I'll just send in 10-15 minutes. Okay? जी अजीत जी, question.
कुलदीप सर, मुझे आप थोड़ा सा कंजंक्ट समझा दीजिए, मेरे को लास्ट टाइम समझ नहीं आया था ये.
Tell me which one.
आपने जो य सेक, so य, how does it become a vowel? सेक.
It is not a vowel. It is not a vowel. It is a conjunct which is a conjunct. If it was vowel, then we would have classified as vowel. It is not a conjunct. It's a conjunct. The way we speak, it is sec. As I said, any consonant इससे पहले जो भी आएगा देवनागरी में, जैसे स और उसके साथ में स आधा और य पूरा, या कोई भी द आधा और य उसके साथ, जैसे अभी हमने ये डैश या अभी जो आप स्क्रीन पर देख रहे हैं, इट इज sec. So it more important from the point of view, हिंदी में तो उसमें ज्यादा फर्क नहीं पड़ता. You have to write the same way. जब हम इंग्लिश देवनागरी में सॉरी रोमन में लिखते हैं, there you have to remember any conjunct with y is written as e with a top cap. So that is why it is important here. Not for the point I told you last time. This is it's not for Devanagari conversion. More from when we are writing in Roman or English. Okay. So it is e with a cap. That sa, adha sa or ya pura It also is pronounced in Devanagari में हम वैसे ही से ही पढ़ लेंगे उसको sec. तो उसमें there is no other way to read it. Okay. So but it is only from this point of view कि इसमें हम लोग रोमन में जब लिखते हैं तो e with a cap, the and year, e with a cap. It is the is represented by d and with year conjunct it is e with a cap. So it is just to donate. It's a आधा the और पूरा year. मतलब उस तरीके से that. Okay. Am I able to understand? Clarify? Okay. Thank you.
Okay,
Thank you.
very good. Thank you.
I just have
Any
one
other question? Yes, Ishani.
मैम आपने बोला कि वर्ड्स जो हमें लिखने हैं, is there have to write Devanagari and Roman both, or can we choose one?
No, whatever you are learning, and I had said this in first class also, जो आप select करते हैं वही हर class में continue कीजिए. हाँ, if you are over ambitious and if you really want to learn both, we are happy. We are happy to assist you in there, but continue with one thing first. When you master one, then you can go to another one. Okay, perfect.
I have a question. Is there anybody in this class who wants to read and write only in Roman? Anybody? No.
I think the Sari Devanagari wale.
No problem. That makes my job easy. Then I don't have to overemphasize on Roman. I will still emphasize, but I'll spend more time on Devanagari than this.
Devanagari.
From that point of view. Okay.
Sir, however, what has happened with me, I have started understanding more in Roman because वो जो हम लोगों ने सीखा एक के ऊपर ये सब लगाना तो I am able to read better.
No problem. I am there. In fact, personally, I like Roman. I have a preference for Roman. That's different. But whatever way, I will still explain. I said it makes my job easy because I can guide that person a little more better. That's all. Go ahead.
Okay, so last but not the least, submit your homework by Wednesday, 11:59 p.m. तो Thursday शुरू होने से पहले अपना homework submit कर दीजिए. And अगर कोई भी problem या कुछ भी ऐसा रहता है, तो please talk to me in person, not just on Wednesday, but before that, Monday, Tuesday भी है. उसमें मेरे साथ बात कीजिए और मुझे बताइए. If you have any issues, I'll take your questions. So that's all for today's class. Anything else? Last call for anyone? Anyone else? Baki sari details I'll share in the group, but anything else before we close the call? Okay, perfect. Thank you very much, everyone. And कोई भी feedback या कुछ भी हो तो please send it in the group.
Thank you. Namaskar.
Thank you. Namaskar. Namaskar, Sarni. Namaskar.